Welcome back to another video. Today I have the Samsung S22 Plus and this is the Phantom White model. The box is slimmed down, only holding the paperwork and the USB-C cable besides the phone. The Samsung S22 Plus has the 6.6-inch Dynamic AMOLED Infinity O display with a resolution of 2340 by 1080p. I miss those days when Samsung would have a 1440p resolution on their Plus models. The S22 series retained the design of the S21 series with the same camera layout. I really like how the white and silver looks together. The phone is just a tiny bit thicker, but I don't mind that at all. But what you might mind is that they gave us a smaller 4500 mAh battery compared to the 4800 mAh found on the S21 Plus. The phone looks a little boxier than the S21 Plus because of how wide it is, and I like it. For the few hours that I have been using it, the phone feels like a perfect size. It isn't too big, and it's just large enough to enjoy content on it. Plus that 120Hz variable refresh rate does add to that enjoyable experience with scrolling through the videos and memes. The performance on this has been phenomenal for everyday things like loading up apps and playing games on it. So the first thing I did when I got this phone is open the camera. One thing that was a letdown with the S21 Plus was the bugged out camera. The camera was barely usable, I couldn't get good pictures because the camera would lag. After a couple of software updates throughout the year, the camera performance did improve on the S21, but it still lags every now and then. I'm happy to say that this is no longer an issue with the S22. So here I'm taking a picture of a still object and then moving the camera away quickly to simulate a moving object or person. You can see here if I'm trying to take an action shot, I can't rely on the S21 to get me a good picture, but I can rely on the S22 to capture a good photo. So here's a couple of photos that I ended up taking with the S22 and they all look amazing. So this can record in 4K at 60 frames per second, and it can also record in 8K at 24 frames per second so you get that cinematic look. So now here's a few video samples. This is a video test at 4K at this is a video test at 8K at 24 frames per second. What's going on? Now something else that I like on the S22 is the improved fingerprint reader. The fingerprint reader is fast on both of them, but I get a more consistent reading on the S22, which is very welcomed. Okay, so that was a quick first impression video after getting a hold of the Samsung S22 Plus for a little over 48 hours. So let me know if there's anything in particular that you would like me to cover in my full review. Thank you all for watching, leave a like if you found this video helpful and subscribe for more tech related videos and I will talk to you on the next one.